In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear out old unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online. Managing unpaid bills effectively is crucial for keeping your business finances in order, and QuickBooks Online provides a streamlined way to handle this task. Whether you're spring cleaning your accounts or just maintaining good financial hygiene, this process can help you tidy up those lingering bills that need attention. Firstly, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click on the Sign In option. On the next screen, make sure to select QuickBooks Online, input your login credentials carefully, and then hit Continue. It's always a good idea to have your username and password at hand to make this step as smooth as possible. Once you're logged in, we need to navigate over to the Reports section. This is where we'll look at our list of unpaid bills. You can directly go to Reports by following the relevant link or finding it in the menu. The search bar is your friend here, so type in Unpaid Bills to pull up the report. Once the list populates, click on it to open further details. Now that you're inside the Unpaid Bills report, take a moment to look at the details shown. You should see a list of outstanding bills along with their associated details such as dates and amounts due. It provides a great overview of where exactly your unpaid bills stand. Next, we'll adjust the date settings so you can filter and view bills from a specific time range. Click on the dates shown on the report to modify them according to your needs. Now that you have the dated reports, it's time to deal with the bills. Head to the bottom of the page and click on the More option. This might be slightly tucked away, so keep an eye out for it. We're almost there. Once you've clicked on More, a few options will appear. You want to select Delete. Don't worry, QuickBooks Online is designed to prompt a confirmation before making any permanent changes, so you'll have another chance to review the bill you're deleting. Finally, confirm your choice to delete that old unpaid bill. Once confirmed, QuickBooks Online will remove it from your accounts, helping you maintain a cleaner and more organized list of financial obligations. If there are multiple unpaid bills that need attention, repeat these steps as necessary. That's it. By following these actions, you will ensure your accounts are more manageable, and you can prevent those outdated bills from cluttering up your financial records. Thank you for watching the video, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further help.